Hello, I'm Dr. Sri Banerjee, core faculty for the College of Health Sciences and Public Policy at Walden University. And in this segment, I'm going to be going over a data set which is quite similar to the National Health Interview Survey. However, it has some differences. I'm going to show you not only a description of the data set, I will also go into the actual data set within the SPSS program. So let's go ahead and get started here. There's, first of all, this is from the University of California, Los Angeles Center for Health Policy Research, UCLA Fielding School of Public Health. So when you look into California Health Interview Survey, one of the things that you want to do immediately is create an account. So go ahead and create an account, and then what you should do is explore the public use data. And this is interesting. Dig deep into California's health issues with our comprehensive statewide CHIS data files on a variety of topics. So what this shows is that not only national trends, however, it's not national trends. Instead, it's actually at the level of the state of California. So going into this a bit more, you can click on Download Now once you have created an account. Then I'll show you the code book. Here's the code book which I downloaded from the website, so you can download it as well. So CHIS 2021, this is the most recent, and this one is for the adolescents. So this is more questions about smoking and some of the things that adolescents are concerned about. As you can see, there's many questions about everything from climate change to park and neighborhood safety, to looking at how many people have asthma. And these are something that can also be gleaned from other data sets, such as National Health and Nutrition Examination Survey. However, there are questions that are much more detailed, and then other questions that are not as detailed. So let's look at a practical example, the actual data set here. So if I look at the actual data set, this was one that I was able to download from SPSS, from the California Health Interview Survey. So as you know, with SPSS, you go into Data View and you look at the number of respondents that were in the questionnaire and within the study. So as you can tell, there were approximately, and I could have looked this up, but I wanted to show you how I determined this. So there's approximately 24,371, and I know you can't see the whole thing. So there's about 24,000 data points, and then in the variable view, you look at how many variables actually are within your data set. And when we scroll through this, we find that the number of variables here are quite a few. The number of variables is 782. So if you multiply those two with each other, you'll know how many total data points that you have. And as you can tell, it's in the tens of thousands, perhaps hundreds of thousands when you multiply these two. So this can be considered a data set which is important to thoroughly go through. So to sum it all up, in this recording I've shown you a description of the California Health Interview Survey. I've shown you the code book that is associated with the most recent California Health Interview Survey. And I've shown you how to interpret the basics of the data set and peruse through some of these examples. So I hope this 3-part segment has provided you with some insight. If you have any questions, you can go through the website. Thank you for listening.